Founded in 2009, Femin Building Technology has focused on building sound insulation for 17 years. An integrated industrial and trading company. Headquartered in Shenzhen, with a 10,000 square meters factory in Foshan. Equipped with 3 automated production lines. Holding 12 independent patents, with over 120 employees. Professional teams in architecture, structure, electromechanical engineering, and interior design. Main products include office pods, soundproof pods, outdoor pods, and space capsules. Widely used in offices, hotels, guest houses, medical facilities, educational institutions, and transportation hubs.